Hi, hello. This is Charlie Jose, and you're watching Charlie Money. So I'm doing an update again with my portfolio. So to start it off, I remove AXTI and Micron technology. Why? Because I've been noticing that AXTI is going down after it went really up. So technically, it's oversold. So sometimes you cannot determine. You can only guess. So I already have some hint. So unfortunately, I didn't take profit when my shares were up like 50% increase. So I only managed to get around 20-25%, and I took it all off. So and I went to precious metals, like gold and silver. So I'll show you that also. And I also took out MU because it's been choppy. Although I've seen the chart, and most likely it's going to do a ascending triangle because it's already forming that triangle thing. So check out, if you're a beginner, check out the what's an ascending triangle in Google search, or you could talk to Gemini or Copilot or whatever AI you trust and like to do research on. Okay, so this is what I have right now. So I have Anglo Gold and silver on the bottom, on the third, and on the middle of both Anglo, and I hope you can see it there. And that's Sibanye, so I won't remove Sibanye because it's very good performing gold mining and other precious metals mining company. And AU as well, based on my watch list. AU Anglo Gold was the second best on my watch list. Okay, and silver also, silver ETF. If you're gonna choose any silver stocks, then I suggest you do silver ETF instead. So it covers all silver miners. Okay, and it had also a good run, more than 100 plus percent last year. Okay, so what else? So, and the last three, so I have six in total. I have still SanDisk, SNDK, WDC, Western Digital, and Seagate Technologies. So again, WDC and STX, those are hard disk drive makers, and SanDisk makes flash drives. Okay, flash drives like your thumb drives, USB thumb drives, and micro SD cards used in cameras, and also as a data storage similar to your USB stick. Okay, so SanDisk is owned by Western Digital, so they're like this, but of course they separate it so they'll have business focus. Okay, Seagate also is a hard disk drive maker, so they're directly competing with Western Digital. Okay, so they're duking out the PC market, the laptop market, and anything that needs storage, even probably the robot market, and what, of course, the data center server market. Okay, again, the three especially the two Seagate and Western Digital is closely tied to the AI narrative. Again, I've mentioned this. So when AI had a boom, so they need to teach the AI, feed more information in order for it to be fed 24 by 7. You need lots of servers. And you need also fast computers. Okay, So that's where the GPU comes in, NVIDIA, and then AMD is tagging along, and other GPU makers as well, and CPU makers as well. So now, and just recently in the recent CES, speaking about CPUs, Intel is all in the Intel stock is also going up. They have a good sales record lately. FII, Nvidia also invested in the company, so they're a shareholder, and they're, I think, part of the board with that share. And they're now making chips with AI inside. So Intel with AI. Okay, so apologies, I'm having allergies again. And what else? So that's why there's a data center build-up. So, and everybody, there's a circular economy going about in that industry. Okay, so basically that's it, and see you on my next video.